What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, so go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because I'm bringing you content every Sunday. So let's get right into this video. Okay, y'all, so today we are going to be doing a do-it-yourself customizing shoes, and it's going to be a very easy way and beginner friendly. So let's get right into it. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. So these are the things you need: masking tape, check; paint, check; a cup, check; scissors, check. Go ahead and delace your shoes because I already did it just for time purposes. So I went ahead and taped up the bottom of my soles, which you can or choose to or not to do. It's what you would like, and you are allowed to be creative. And if that is something that you're interested in keeping the color of the bottom of your shoes, then that is up to you. And so for me, I really want to keep the black at the bottom of my soles. So I have the tape done, so now it is time for the fun part. Oh my gosh, are you not excited? Because I am excited. So my base colors are going to be blue, gold, and white. You really can be free and open to whatever creativity and freedom that you want to do at this point. Me, I really just want, these are some of my favorite colors, and I really feel like they really complement each other. So I do different tones of blue. So it's not just that one royal blue color. And then I also add a bit of silver in there. So don't feel like you have to do 3 colors or 4 colors. You can do 2 colors if that's something you want to do. You can do 1 color. I just really wanted to have fun with this one and bring a lot of different colors into it. I would see different videos to where people would be painting and kind of using this technique, and I always thought it was so beautiful. And so it was like this light bulb went off and said, ding, okay, you can do it to these white boots that you found. So I really want to bring some color and vibrations to these shoes, and so here we go. So you can do this however you feel, but I kind of want to start from the top and just pour and then allow the paint to just shift and just mend on the shoes as it wanted to speak. And I started running out, so I added a little bit more in the cup, and so to give more on the remaining size of these shoes, this pair. So how y'all feeling about it? I'm getting excited because I'm loving how these colors are coming together. It's just beautiful, and I'm over here just pouring away. Would y'all do this? Go ahead and comment below. If there's some other things that you would like to see, go ahead and put it in the comments. Y'all, do y'all see how these colors, this paint is just stripping and being able to still see the white in these shoes, and it's really allowing these colors to really live on top of these shoes. Hey, who doesn't love a little extra color? This is going to be a statement piece once it's done. There are so many ways that you can dress these shoes up, put it in your wardrobe, and this is just like maximizing your closet. You are tired of seeing these white shoes in your closet, and bam, here you go. So this is a few days later where I have allowed the shoes to dry, and I'm just taking the tape off at this point. So I really feel like I am just ecstatic. I did get a little paint went through some of the tape, so I did just use a little bit of black, but they came out beautifully. What do you think? Go ahead and comment below. If there's other things you want to see, definitely let me know. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. But if you are inspired by this look, definitely comment and tag me on Instagram and Facebook at Royal Blue by Priscilla. And you can also follow my shop at Royal Blue by Priscilla on the Etsy page. All the links are in the description box. So, what story would you like told the Royal Blue by Priscilla way? All right, guys. See you next time. Peace.